High Commissioner, Mr. Levan Boadzi, UNDP.
His Excellency, Mr. Masahiro Omura, the Japanese ambassador to Fiji, a representative from the Australian High Commission representing His Excellency John Feeks, Mr. Levan Boadzi, UNDP representative, representatives from Australian and New Zealand High Commissions, the management and staff of APTC, FHTA, and participants, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to all of you, and a warm welcome. Actually delighted to be here to witness such a great turnout for the launch of the Micro Credentials online course. Now this core curriculum, ladies and gentlemen, is designed for the tourism sector workers, is a forward-looking initiative by the UNDP and the United Nations Capital Development Fund and the Pacific SPTO, Australia Pacific Training Coalition also, and the Fiji Hotels Tourism Association, in partnership with the Japanese government. Ladies and gentlemen, as economies around the world gradually reopen, in line with the Fijian government's also economic recovery framework, so is the Fijian economy. And while we may not be fully open, there is a lot that we can actually do to prepare and to use this time to learn and to adapt. A lot remains uncertain and as to when the pandemic will end, and so you will see a significant shift in how we not only go about our daily lives, but how we do business. And basically, we need to realize that we must not make a mistake. This new normal will remain for the foreseeable future. So similarly, online education is likely to become permanent as more services like learning opportunities move to online facilities. A recent IFC-led business survey commissioned by the Ministry of Commerce, Trade, Tourism and Transport revealed that only about 6% of tourism businesses and 10% of non-tourism businesses are actually using the time to improve workforce skills. With the right resources and opportunities, businesses are willing to invest in their workers. And this is why the partnership between industry, governments and development partners is crucial and critical. Ladies and gentlemen, the main objective of this partnership is to provide relevant training opportunities to Pacific tourism and hospitality industries. And I'm talking about Fiji and the Solomon Islands and Kiribati and Nauru and Tuvalu and Tonga and Vanuatu, all of those who have been tremendously affected by the pandemic. Now, the online course will actually place strong emphasis on digital literacy skills and communication technologies and for business success. And these aren't skills you need just for today or tomorrow, but they're lifelong skills. And what this means for us in Fiji is that approximately 1,500 odd Fijians in the industry will have an opportunity to learn new skills and enhance productivity. It may also encourage those employees to start their own businesses. And as we use this time, an opportunity to upskill employees, the Fijian government is also working hard to improve the doing business environment. And for those interested in starting in a business, you can get all the information you want on bizfiji.com. And this is actually a one-stop portal which provides information to starting a business, programs available for micro, small, and medium enterprises and other business-related information. It's actually, ladies and gentlemen, we must all realize that now is not a time to be complacent. And these trainings provide an opportunity for you to explore new horizons. And you need to embrace the technology and diversify into territories, into new territories, and challenge yourself and re-engineer your strategies when going forward for the new normal. And I wish to reiterate that we must remain motivated and venture into small businesses or entrepreneurial development to continue being productive, even if it involves venturing into a completely new business and stepping into a new direction or career path, as we have seen that being done already, especially with tourism workers, who've actually gone from being tourism workers to good farmers. We need to keep learning innovative skills, and we also need to acquire new knowledge in order to live and work more productively and effectively. This initiative has shown continued support from the Fijian private sector, and we wish to extend our appreciation also to Vodafone and Digicel for providing subsidized data packages to course participants. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in an industry that is affected by external factors and susceptible to threats such as pandemics and natural disasters. So as leaders, we must always be a part of the solution and encourage young and eager Fijians to elevate and develop their skill set wherever possible to journey towards success. Needless to say, through the introduction of the micro credentials online course, participants will have the right platform to develop new skills that will be beneficial for the organization that they work for and for their own personal gain. Ladies and gentlemen, I won't speak for long, and in closing, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Japanese government and the United Nations Capital Development Fund for their commitment towards helping the program, and the Australian government for their continued support. I also encourage the course participants to take advantage of these courses and equip themselves with additional formal qualifications, and we look forward eventually to the opening of our hotels and resorts to guests from overseas. So with those few words, many thanks again for all your for your presence today and for all your support. Thank you very much. Vinawalevu.